Jazz improvisation is a process of creating musical phrases. These phrases consist of a collection of basic units that are called elements, and the elements in turn consist of two parts, target part and a part that's represented by a note or a group of notes called enclosures. So the element is based on a combination of these two parts. According to an amount of these parts inside of an element, we have two types of elements. First, one-part element. This type of elements contains only one part, which is target part. Second, two-part element. This type of element contains target part and the part that's represented by a note or a group of notes that have a function to lead us to a target part. And now we have reached the major point of this video, which is types of a target parts. First, scale degree. It's a certain scale degree, altered or not altered. It's very common to see in a jazz phrase how first, third, fifth, and seventh scale degrees are playing a role of a target part. Second, interval. These are two notes that very often could be a combination of three stable degrees including the seventh. But of course it could be any interval including those which build on alteration of a chord. Third, scale or a fragment of a scale. And additional tones could be placed before the first notes of a scale, after, or in between of them. Fourth, an arpeggio of a triad and its two inversions. Fifth, an arpeggio of the seventh chord and its three inversions. It's very common to use the first inversion arpeggio or its variation with the first tone replaced up an octave. These five types of target parts could be played in two orders, ascending or descending. In all of the examples, target parts are placed in circles.